Today I'm cooking a simple stir-fry okra sambal. It's spicy and tasty, with crunchy and smooth okra, all lady's fingers. This recipe is for 4 to 5 servings. Let's start off with making the sambal paste from scratch. You can also use a pre-made one to shorten the cooking time. Add 70 grams of peeled and washed shallots in a blender, 25 grams of garlic, 5 grams of turmeric, half of 75 grams of cut red onions, 10 grams of belacan or shrimp paste, 15 grams of dry prawns, 1 tablespoon of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 70 grams of chili paste or chili ball, and 100 ml of water for easy blending. Cover the blender. Start the machine and blend it for about 15 seconds or until it becomes smooth. Remove it from the blender. Leave it aside. Next, cut 400 grams of okra. Remove the top part and cut slantingly, about half centimeter thick. By the way, all of these okras have been washed. Put them in a separate bowl and repeat with the rest. Leave them aside. Next, cook the sambal. Put a pan on the stove and switch on the heat. Add 25 ml of cooking oil and pour all the sambal paste, scraping the side. Stir until both oil and sambal paste are well combined. After about 1 to 2 minutes, the sambal is warming up and starting to bubble. Add the rest of the 75 grams of red onions and 5 grams of curry leaves, stripping the leaves from the stem. Stir and mix to combine for 6 minutes or until slightly dry. After roughly 6 minutes, the consistency of sambal paste is perfect. Next, add all the cut okras, half teaspoon of salt, half tablespoon of sugar, and 200 ml of water. Stir to mix until well combined. As the inside of okras are quite slimy, a little more water is needed. I am adding 100 ml more water. Stir and cook for 3 more minutes for just right crunchy okra or 6 minutes for soft and tender okra. Alright, after 3 minutes, it's perfect. Give it a taste. Delicious. More seasoning can be added if preferred. Alright, switch off the heat and we are done. Dish it out and serve with some white rice. Let's eat! It's very smooth, mildly spicy and very tasty. Okras and sambals goes well together. Enjoy! This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!